Welcome to your second lesson of how to do a cartwheel. Today we're going to go through 3 main steps and progressions of how to do a cartwheel. Did you remember to warm up? If not, please see lesson number 1 before trying any of these progressions to limit yourself from getting hurt. Step 1. Determining your dominant leg.
The first part to learning how to do a cartwheel is determining what leg that you need to start with at the beginning. So how you test this is you're going to rise up on your toes and you're just going to fall forward, and whichever foot that you fall forward with, that's going to be your dominant leg to start your cartwheel.
Step 2. Learning a circle cartwheel.
One of the next steps to learning a cartwheel is doing a circle cartwheel. How you can do this is by drawing a circle on the ground with chalk, or you could use a hula hoop or even make a skipping rope into the shape of a circle. The next step, you're going to start and you're going to line your feet along your circle. Your hands are going to go in the air, and then what you're going to do is try and put your hands down onto the other side of the circle in a circular motion, how I'm going to demonstrate. So starting with my dominant leg, I'm going to go down, hands across to the other side, and feet to the other side. The faster you do this, the more likely you're going to make it onto your circle.
The next progression is making it a wider circle, as I've shown through this slow motion video. You're going to start on the outside of the circle and try and end just on the other side of the circle. Step 3. Trying it on a line.
The next progression, once you feel comfortable doing circle cartwheel, is you're going to bring yourself to a line. As you've noticed here, I've made X's where I want my first feet to go, where I want my hands to go, and where I want my finishing feet positions to end. So starting at the beginning, I'm going to place my dominant foot in front. I'm going to start with it slightly bent so I have support. My hands start up nice and straight in the air, and I'm going to push off onto my front leg, kicking my back leg up. As you can see, my hands landed slightly with one at an angle. This will help you get the quarter turn that you need to do at the very end.
Here is a slow motion video showing hand placement during a cartwheel. You're almost making a letter T with your hands. It's important to remember to start in a solid lunge, which means your back leg is straight and your front leg is slightly bent. This will give you a good push off. Another important thing to remember is your 4 key words. These words are hand, hand, foot, foot. Hand, hand, foot, foot. So in a faster video, you'll see that this works a lot better. Ready? Hand, hand, foot, foot. The key points we've covered so far are 1. Starting in a solid lunge. 2. Remembering your key words, hand, hand, foot, foot. 3. Keeping your hands in a T shape when they land on the ground. It's also really important to remember that practice is what makes you perfect. You won't get this right off the bat. Stay tuned for lesson number 3 on exercises for helping with cartwheels. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep practicing.